Here's how you can easily turn off the party invites for Black Ops 6 multiplayer. So first go to the top right to your settings, then go down to account and network. Right here you have 3 different categories and we want to focus on the privacy tab. Click on the last option, the manage invites, and now 2 more options should appear. Right here we have the first option, the party invites, and click on the right side and now you have 4 more options: friends and channels, friends only, closed, and the default open. We want to close it, so click on close, and you can do the same for the channel invites. Click on it and now click on closed. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.